What's up, outdoorsmen? I'm Greg, and today I'm showing you how to make a custom memory foam plush mattress for your truck bed camper. I built this custom mattress for my truck bed camper. If you haven't seen the video of that, click here and you can watch the full video of how I made the actual truck bed camping system. But today we're just talking about the mattress. First thing I did is I went on Amazon and I found a mattress topper, because the regular memory foam mattresses are really expensive. So I just found a topper, a 2-inch king size topper for like 70 bucks, and I bought that one. And then what I'm going to end up doing is folding it in half and then basically making a 4-inch topper. So I got the mattress and went ahead and pulled it out of the box, and one of the first things I noticed was the instructions said that you had to let this thing sit for 2 days for the foam to expand. So that's what I did. I just opened it all up, let it breathe, and basically let it sit upstairs in my upstairs den, and just let the foam expand for a couple days. Came back later and it had expanded fully to the 2-inch memory foam, and then I basically just transferred the measurements from my truck bed camper and cut it in half essentially. You'll see here in a moment that I wasted very little of this thing. Right now I'm cutting it in half based on the measurements from the actual bed, and there you go. You can see that's the waist on the far left hand side. Just a few inches of waste that I ended up using. Cut the thing in half, and then I'm going to end up stacking it on top of each other for a true 4-inch mattress. That's how I decided to stack them, basically flat part to flat part, so I would get maximum use out of the different little ridges and stuff that they set up. The first test, it's awesome. Yes. Oh, yes. And then I actually ended up using the top part. It just this was a happy accident, but what was left over from the top ended up being a great pillow. I just folded it in half and cut it in half, and now I've got a full width pillow. I had a friend of mine, Carl, actually sew up some custom bedding for this, but you could just cover it with any sort of sheet that you get from Walmart, a fleece blanket, anything you want. I just kind of went all out and had a custom one made. So if you have a truck bed camper or some sort of camping setup like this, you might want to consider making your own custom memory foam mattress. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped. You guys get outdoors.